Hi, welcome to my channel Coding Skills. In this video, I am going to tell you what is swapping along with some examples. I will also show you how we can implement the same in Java programming using three different approaches. A small request from my side is please watch the video till the end so that you will not miss anything. So let's get into the details. What is swapping of numbers? Basically, swapping means interchanging the values in between the variables. We can swap the numbers by using any of the following three different approaches. The first approach is using a temporary variable, so where we'll be using a third variable as a placeholder. And the next approach is using arithmetic operations, where we will be using plus and minus symbols to perform the calculation. And the third approach is the bitwise operations, so where we will be using exclusive OR operator to perform the calculation. If you look at the example which I mentioned here, if the input values are 10 and 20, then the output will be 20 and 10. Creating new Java class and naming the file accordingly. Also choosing a public static void main method. Removing a to-do statement. Importing a scanner object from the util package in order to read some data from the keyboard. Creating a scanner object and mapping it to input stream. Printing a message on the console requesting the user to enter a first number. Int a equal to sc.nextInt. Printing another message on the console requesting the user to enter a second number. Int b equal to sc.nextInt. Creating a public static method which is of type void swap numbers and will be passing both the input values a and b. So we will be invoking this method within the main method by passing the respective values. So this is the first approach we are looking, that is using by temporary variable. Printing a message on the console before swapping the numbers. So both A and B we are printing. Formatting the message for the better readability. Also copying the same message for after swapping the numbers. In between we will perform the actual logic. Declared a temporary variable int c equal to a and a equal to b and b equal to c. That's all. This is going to interchange the values of both a and b. We are almost done with it. We'll start executing the value. So 10 and 20. So you could see that 20 and 10 after perform the swapping. I'm just adding a comma for the better readability, executing again with a different set of values. Instead of creating a new Java class, I'll be using the existing Java class to demonstrate the second approach. Copying the existing approach, commenting the first approach, also removing the previous logic from the second method, copied method. So approach 2, using arithmetic operations. So a equal to a plus b, b equal to a minus b, and again a equal to a minus b. That's all. We are done with the swapping logic. using plus and minus symbols. Executing the program. Five and 10, 10 and 5 we could see. Executing again with a different set of values. So we could see that both are swapped as expected. I'm using the same Java class to demonstrate the third approach. First I'm copying the approach 2, pasting as a new approach, commenting the second approach. Approach 3 using bitwise operation. Removing the previous logic within the method 3. A equal to A cap B. This is the exclusive OR operator, XOR operator we say, and B equal to A cap B. Again A equal to A cap B. That's all we are done with the swapping logic. Let's run the program. So we could see the values are swapped as expected. Executing again for the next iteration. 100 and 200 and 200 and 100. If you are having any questions related to this video, please drop me a comment so that I can respond to it. Also, if you are looking for any specific program, please do let me know so that I can plan for it in my upcoming videos. Please like the video. In case if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you so much once again and see you in the next video.